and adapt to dynamic environments. They work alongside human workers, enhancing safety and efficiency. Together, these technologies enable machines to perform tasks once exclusive to humans. This synergy between AI and robotics is reshaping the manufacturing landscape. This frees human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. As a result, human ingenuity is directed towards innovation and problem-solving, driving progress forward. Predicting the unforeseen AI-driven predictive maintenance. Traditional maintenance methods are costly and inefficient. AI-driven predictive maintenance leverages data analytics to predict equipment failures. By monitoring sensors, AI detects anomalies indicating impending failures. This minimizes downtime and ensures repairs are performed only when necessary. Early detection allows for less extensive and less expensive repairs. Predictive maintenance reduces the risk of accidents and ensures a safer working environment. AI extends equipment life and reduces unnecessary maintenance costs. The quest for perfection. AI-powered quality control in action. Quality control is crucial to avoid costly recalls and safety risks. AI introduces automated inspection systems that are faster and more accurate. Computer vision captures detailed images for AI algorithms to analyze. AI detects defects with precision, reducing defective products. Automated systems operate continuously, increasing production speed. AI-powered quality control reduces scrap rates and rework costs. Data-driven insights help improve processes and prevent future defects. The future of manufacturing. A symphony of AI and human ingenuity, where technology and human creativity come together in perfect harmony. AI augments human capabilities, creating a more efficient and productive working environment, enhancing precision and speed. Humans focus on creativity and problem-solving, bringing innovative ideas to life, while AI handles repetitive and mundane tasks with ease. The factory of the future will see seamless collaboration between humans and AI, working side by side to achieve common goals. AI systems optimize workflows in real time, with humans overseeing operations to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. This relationship addresses ethical considerations and ensures responsible AI deployment, fostering trust and reliability in the technology. Transparency, accountability, and human oversight are crucial to maintaining a balanced and fair working environment. The future of manufacturing is bright, driven by AI and human ingenuity, promising a new era of innovation and progress.